So welcome to COCA and this task 23. If we put a full stop and an asterisk, that looks for any item which occurs after a full stop. Click on sections, choose academic, so it will limit this search to academic texts, and the list of things that we now see, these are the things which follow full stops. Therefore, these are the things which start sentences in academic prose. If we want to see what sorts of four-word chunks occur at the beginning of sentences in academic prose, we can look at that, and that will show us the four-word phrases. And you'll notice that the comma here and the comma here, etc., they are one of the four asterisks, the last obviously, so punctuation marks count there. And if you compare it actually with spoken English, you will see that we get very different starts of sentences in spoken English. So it's a very interesting way to compare sentence starts, and we can see that in spoken English it's very likely that sentences begin with I, which is absolutely not the case in academic writing, obviously. So that's all. I hope answered your question about task 23. Thank you for asking.